We are actually what we call the remake station, okay? In this company, they have a specific station that is only used to do remake parts or service parts that come from outside. So what happens is that they do not touch at the two nesting base station that we saw on the other side, because they only cut sheet for the job. So if there's something broken, it has to go through this station right here. Now, the way they manage the remake part at this station, it's pretty much easy. Remember, I call the damaged part. Automatically, it sends back a signal to this station right here with what we call the warning center. If I open up my warning center, I can see the list of all my damaged parts that was punching into the shop, so I can know what's the job, what is the reason, the date and time, the station reference, etc. that goes through. This station only receives damaged part in that warning center. Automatically, the operator can know also what exactly is the part, what is the description of the part, its dimension, whatever he needs towards that. The process of how they do it now is that they load up the list of all the damaged parts. They can go in, select them all to reprint the label towards that, but I'm just going to do one. So I'm going to select the one that we called as being damaged at the CNC just before that. Afterwards, I'm just going to say, okay, I'm doing the remake of it, apply it, and I want to print a label of it. So automatically the system will print down a label for the remake part inside of that. As you can see, we put in a little marker to say that this is a remake part, and directly everybody can know that this is the second part of remake part that's been done. Second thing, in this case scenario, we're using also that barcode to load up the program on the machine. So what happens is that the CAD/CAM system from the office sends down a bunch of programs every time they process their job. So they send to that machine all individual programs for every part. So in this case, when there's a damaged part called in, the operator prints up the label and just goes in, scans the barcode, and automatically the CNC does the remake of that part. It's done one by one, but they have the time to do it at the CNC since it's dedicated to do that. So they scan the program, the machine runs the part, they place the label on it, and then with a little signal inside of that, they know which station to bring it back, because we specify, as it's been called at the CNC, the edge banding, so they know where it has to go back. Once we do that remake part, automatically also, it removes the damaged part and gives us a yellow signal like this to specify that the part is coming back. So everybody knows on the factory that the part has been remade and it's coming back towards your process.